What's up, man? We back with video number 3. We got Piedmont content day today. Gonna be a smaller event. Everybody seem to be out in Atlanta right now, but we're gonna be out at Piedmont. I can't leave the state right now because of probation and shit like that. So I'm gonna kick it here in the hometown and fucking have some fun. But yeah, we got Piedmont today and then Thunder Valley this afternoon. I don't know if I'm gonna make it out there. I gotta get back to Wilmington, so I'm gonna try to make it, but I need to go ahead and get on back home after this shit. So yeah, we got little bro driving the cat again.
Yo.
It's a tradition at this point. Gotta let him pull up and stop. Got other bro back there in the Mustang. You can't see him, but yeah, he back there in the yellow Mustang, man. That's really one of the first cars I really learned how to drive like that, for real. We had that when we was younger, and that's how I learned how to drive a manual and shit like that. So that car done been through it, I tell you that. I done smacked the curb a couple times with that car.
Shit, been dirt roads and shit too.
But yeah, man, content creation day is going down. Look, we got the motherfucking horses over here and shit. Fuck, we out here in the country though. Alright, man, I'm gonna tap in with y'all. We're gonna have some good slide clips. We gonna do some reels and shit like that. I've been slacking on the media. Y'all know I've been rocking that fucking I've been rocking this damn iPhone 6 since the fucking cops took my shit. But I should have it back here soon, so I'm gonna be back on my shit here soon. I appreciate y'all checking in on me. I'm straight. Just got jammed up on some stupid shit, but we gonna be alright. Just a little hiccup, man. So, alright, man, love y'all. Last time I let this bitch overheat, the dry bushings was trash. Bitch ass motherfucker. Other bitch ass motherfucker.
Look at that bitch ass motherfucker.
Bitch ass motherfucker. Well, I can't wait for a new bumper. Mac.
Y'all 6 months, right?
So what?
How long you been sliding this thing?
About 6 months.
For real?
Yeah. So I got done with the car.
Look good.
In October was when it was done with the Hellcat swap, and then I slid for like November, December, and January, and then February I dropped it off and got a cam, headers, long tube, fucking long tube headers, pulleys, and I did all kinds of shit to it. So I was out for like another 2 months. So really, I've only got like 3 or 4 months of seat time. So
You got them doing a damn thing. From what the fuck I see,
getting there, man.
I don't see how some of them guys go in the ring with some of them motherfuckers. I'd be scared as fuck.
It's nerve wracking. It is. Boy, I should have waited to get a haircut, boy. I ain't know this shit going on out here. Hey, y'all see who it is? It's that boy Finesse Kid. Y'all know what it is. Follow him on the gram. Finesse Kid.
I understand.
day out here in 336 with everybody, but I'm tired, man. My car fucked up, my bumper fucked up, supercharger fucked up, but it's gonna be alright. So just like to hurry up and get this bitch home before she got in decide to shit on me, you know. Alright, man. Video number 3 in the books. I'm gonna drop it here soon. Love y'all, man. Appreciate all the support, all the love. Y'all stay blessed.